Marshmallows, fluffy, sweet, and oh so gooey. These delightful confections have been a favorite for generations, bringing joy to both young and old alike. They're the perfect campfire treat, hot cocoa companion, and a staple in many festive gatherings. Imagine the warmth of a campfire, the crackling sound of the wood, and the anticipation of that first gooey bite. Marshmallows are also a versatile ingredient in countless desserts, from marshmallow-topped cupcakes to the classic marshmallow salad. Their uses are as varied as they are delicious. But have you ever wondered how these pillowy puffs of sugary goodness are made? The process is fascinating, involving a blend of science and artistry. Come along as we journey inside a modern marshmallow mega factory to uncover the secrets behind these delightful treats. From the mixing of ingredients to the final packaging, every step is meticulously crafted to ensure perfection. The history of marshmallows dates back centuries to ancient Egypt, where a confection made from the mallow plant was enjoyed. This early version was a far cry from the marshmallows we know today, but it laid the foundation for what was to come. Fast forward to the 19th century, and the French were whipping up a marshmallow-like treat called pâté de guimauve. This treat was more refined and began to resemble the marshmallows we enjoy today, but it wasn't until the late 1800s that the marshmallow as we know it today came into being, thanks to advancements in manufacturing. These innovations allowed for mass production, making marshmallows more accessible to the general public. Today, marshmallows are a beloved treat worldwide. They come in various shapes, sizes, and flavors, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. Whether enjoyed on their own as a quick snack to satisfy a sweet craving, sandwiched between graham crackers and chocolate to make the perfect s'more, or adorning a sweet potato casserole during the holidays, marshmallows add a touch of sweetness to any dish. Marshmallows continue to capture our hearts and sweet tooths. Their enduring popularity is a testament to their timeless appeal and the joy they bring to our lives. So what exactly goes into a marshmallow? The answer is surprisingly simple. The basic ingredients are sugar, corn syrup, water, and gelatin. Each ingredient plays a vital role in creating the marshmallow's unique texture and taste. Sugar, the primary ingredient, provides sweetness and structure. Corn syrup adds chewiness and prevents crystallization. Water binds the ingredients together. And gelatin, derived from collagen, is the magic ingredient that gives marshmallows their signature bounce. These humble ingredients, when combined in precise proportions and subjected to a series of carefully orchestrated processes, transform into the fluffy wonders we know and love. Imagine a vast, gleaming factory humming with activity where every corner is bustling with the energy of creation. The air is thick with the sweet aroma of sugar, a scent that instantly transports you to a world of confectionery delights. This is the realm of the Marshmallow Mega Factory, where tons of fluffy treats are churned out daily, destined to bring joy to countless people. The journey from raw ingredients to finished marshmallow is a marvel of modern confectionery, a process that combines science, precision, and a touch of magic. It all begins with the creation of a sugar syrup, the foundational element of our marshmallow. Granulated sugar is dissolved in water and combined with corn syrup, creating a thick, viscous liquid that will soon be transformed. This syrup is then heated to a high temperature, transforming it into a clear, bubbling cauldron of sweetness, a mesmerizing sight to behold. Meanwhile, gelatin is dissolved in water, creating a solution that will give the marshmallows their structure and texture, ensuring they are perfectly squishy. The hot sugar syrup and gelatin solution are then combined in massive mixing machines, along with flavorings and sometimes colors, to create the perfect blend. These ingredients are whipped into a frothy, marshmallowy batter, a process that infuses air into the mixture, giving marshmallows their light and fluffy texture. The batter is then poured into molds, where it begins to set, taking on the familiar shape we all recognize and love. Once set, the marshmallows are cut into pieces and dusted with powdered sugar, ensuring they don't stick together and adding a final touch of sweetness. Finally, the marshmallows are packaged and sent off to stores ready to be enjoyed by marshmallow lovers everywhere. From syrup to squishy, the journey is complete. Section 4. The Marshmallow Machine marvels a symphony of sweetness. The marshmallow batter, now light and airy, embarks on a journey through a series of specialized machines, each playing a crucial role in shaping the final product. First, it encounters the extruder, a marvel of engineering that shapes the marshmallow mixture into its iconic cylindrical form. As the marshmallow rope emerges from the extruder, it's met by a rotating blade that slices it into individual marshmallows. These freshly cut marshmallows then tumble onto a conveyor belt, embarking on the next stage of their transformation. The conveyor belt carries the marshmallows through a drying tunnel where gentle heat sets their shape and gives them a slightly crispy exterior. Finally, the marshmallows, now cooled and ready for packaging, are inspected for quality and consistency. Section 5. Fun facts about marshmallows. Did you know? Here are some fun facts about everyone's favorite fluffy treat. The world's largest marshmallow weighed a whopping 1,090 pounds. Marshmallows were once used to soothe sore throats. The name marshmallow comes from the mallow plant, which grows in marshes and was used to make a similar confection in ancient times. National Marshmallow Day is celebrated on August 30th each year. In the United States, marshmallows are traditionally roasted over campfires and sandwiched between graham crackers and chocolate to make s'mores. Section 6. Homemade marshmallows, sweet simplicity. There's something incredibly satisfying about creating your own sweet treats from scratch, and homemade marshmallows are no exception. Believe it or not, you can make your own marshmallows at home. It's a delightful process that not only fills your kitchen with a wonderful aroma, but also results in a treat that's far superior to store-bought versions. It's a fun and rewarding project that yields delicious results. Imagine the joy on your friends' and family's faces when they taste these fluffy, sweet confections that you made with your own hands. Here's a simple recipe to try. Gather all your ingredients first to make the process smooth and enjoyable. 3 packages, 1/4 ounce each, unflavored gelatin. This will be the base that gives your marshmallows their signature texture. 1½ cups granulated sugar. The sweetness of the marshmallows comes from this essential ingredient. 1/2 cup light corn syrup, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, powdered sugar for dusting. Each of these ingredients plays a crucial role in achieving the perfect flavor and texture. 1. In the bowl of a stand mixer, sprinkle gelatin over 1/2 cup of cold water. This step is crucial as it allows the gelatin to bloom, which is essential for the marshmallow's structure. Let stand for 5 minutes to bloom. You'll notice the gelatin absorbing the water and becoming thick and jelly-like. 2. In a saucepan, combine sugar, corn syrup, salt, and 1/2 cup of water. This mixture will form the sweet syrup that binds everything together. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until sugar is dissolved. This step ensures that the sugar integrates well with the other ingredients. 3. Increase heat to high and bring to a boil without stirring. This is where the magic happens, as the syrup thickens and reaches the right temperature. Cook until mixture reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit or 115 degrees Celsius on a candy thermometer. This precise temperature is key to achieving the perfect consistency. 4. With the mixer on low speed, slowly pour hot sugar syrup into gelatin mixture. Be careful during this step, as the syrup is extremely hot. Gradually increase speed to high and beat until mixture is thick, white, and tripled in volume, about 10 to 12 minutes. This is where the marshmallows get their airy, fluffy texture. 5. Beat in vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful depth of flavor to your marshmallows. 6. Line a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with parchment paper and grease lightly with cooking spray. This step ensures that the marshmallows don't stick to the pan. Pour marshmallow mixture into prepared pan and spread evenly. Use a spatula to smooth the top, making sure it's evenly distributed. Let stand at room temperature, uncovered, for at least 4 hours or overnight. This allows the marshmallows to set properly, giving them their final texture. 7. Once set, dust a cutting board with powdered sugar. This prevents the marshmallows from sticking when you cut them. Invert marshmallow slab onto prepared surface and peel off parchment paper. You'll see the beautiful smooth surface of your marshmallow slab. Using a pizza cutter or sharp knife, cut marshmallows into desired shapes. You can get creative here, making squares, rectangles, or even fun shapes with cookie cutters. 8. Dust all sides of marshmallows with powdered sugar. This not only adds a touch of sweetness, but also keeps them from sticking together. Store in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. Or your homemade marshmallows as a snack in hot cocoa or as a delightful gift for loved ones. Section 7. Finding your fix. Where to buy marshmallows. Ready to satisfy your marshmallow cravings? You can find marshmallows at most grocery stores, supermarkets and convenience stores. Look for them in the baking aisle near the chocolate and candy. If you're looking for a wider variety of marshmallows, including gourmet flavors, sizes and colors, online retailers offer a vast selection. Popular online retailers for marshmallows include Amazon, Walmart, Target, and specialty candy stores. Happy snacking!